5 steps to successful online marketing for high-ticket products. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Successful online marketing for high-ticket affiliate products requires a combination of several key elements. Here are 5 tips to help you succeed. Number 1, choose the right products to promote. It's important to choose quality, in-demand products to promote as an affiliate. This will increase the chances that people will actually buy the products and that you'll earn commissions on those sales. Number 2, build a targeted audience. To promote high-ticket affiliate products, you must first build a targeted audience of potential buyers. This can be done through various methods such as creating and promoting content that appeals to your target audience, using social media to connect with potential buyers, and building an email list of people who are interested in the products you're promoting. Number 3, create compelling content. To promote high-ticket affiliate products successfully, you need to create compelling content that will grab people's attention and convince them to buy the products you're promoting. This could include blog posts, videos, infographics, or other types of content that provides value to your audience and showcases the benefits of the products you're promoting. Number 4, use effective marketing techniques. There are many effective marketing techniques you can use to promote high-ticket affiliate products, such as paid advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. It's important to experiment with the different techniques and find the ones that work best for you, for your audience, and your products. Number 5, track and analyze your results. To continually improve your online marketing efforts, it's important to track and analyze the results of your campaigns. This will help you identify what's working and what's not, and help you make adjustments as needed to maximize your results. All of this and more can be found in the 22-minute video linked in the description. Check it out today and make a change in your life forever. As always, I would appreciate a like on this video, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. Hit the little bell so you know when my next video is posted. Until next time, life is good.